So it's not just Welsh performers at the Fringe, you've got Welsh people running stuff as well. So Venue 13 here, that is run by a group of students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. They're about to do a changeover now, so we're going to go and have a look and see what they're up to. So this is a typical festival venue, and like most of the other venues, it needs a big technical team to get one show off safely and the next one on. This is one of 12 shows that are on here, ranging from drag artists and shadow puppetry to kids' science, satire and comedy dramas. The team here have to transform the place every 75 minutes.
Lightning bolt.
So it's all hands on deck because they've got 15 minutes to turn this black box space in a community hall to a cabaret stage. So everyone is running around and I'm getting in the way. So this is why I'm stood up here out the way. The students are on the stage management course at the Royal Welsh College. Grace Billsborough is a second-year student and is today's venue manager. There's set in there because it looks like it's a community hall, but there's a full stage, there's a lighting rig. Do you guys sort that?
Yeah, so we build it all back in Cardiff first and kind of do a complete replica, like the same sizes, same like tabs and everything, in our venue back in Cardiff in Royal Welsh. Pack it all down, bring it here and then bring it all up again.
Heads on stage, front of house truss going out.
So move it along so it's next to the ropes. And then when we get to Edinburgh, the equivalent for that is a steel girder in Edinburgh. So we'll just clamp straight off to that.
So after the relative calm of Cardiff and their rehearsal studio...
Okay, is this the sound we're doing today for Red?
Grace and her fellow students are now in a real venue with only a few minutes remaining.
No. 3 to house open, 8 till go.
So tense.
I pull it out, so it's I start and the other one.
Be ready on stage, please. Thank you very much. Have a good show.